Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about Python pandas and the data visualization. So we'll learn some basic concept here. So I've created the data frame and I've used import pandas as PD and here data is equal to this. I have created this data frame. We can create anyone. I'm very interested in cars and their brands, so I have used this one. Okay, fine. So we'll pass data to the pandas data frame construct name riches. I have kept the name of data frame as riches, which is equal to pd.data frame as data. Then I'll call data frame riches, and it should be like this as expected. The names of brand here and here index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to keep the name of the index as well. So we'll write as which is equal to pd dot data frame data dot in data comma index is equal to I have 10 rows, so index should be 10. So here Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, I have taken the 10 richest person of the world which can own these cars and how many number of cars they have. So after doing this, we'll call data as riches and it will look like this. Fine. Then we'll use the loc command like riches.loc. Riches is our data and loc is Steve. So I'll lock. So only this row will be called in our output as expected. Fine. Then I'll use riches.iloc. I is for only for numeric. So ninth one is Brin because we start with 0. 0 is a number here. Fine. So it will look like this. I have to arrange the columns as well. So I'll use which are data is equal to pd dot data frame and data comma columns is equal to only I want Volkswagen and Bentley. So what will be our output? Our output will be this. Okay, fine. Then I'll call data frame. This one will be our output. Okay, next. So I'll use riches.count the data frame, which is our new one with Volkswagen and Bentley. So it will show here that Volkswagen had 10 entries and Bentley also have 10 entries. Maximum and minimum values. Volkswagen have 4. So I used riches.max. Max means so Bentley Volkswagen have 4 and Bentley have 9. I'll use riches.min means minimum number of cars. Volkswagen 0, Bentley 1. Okay. So after this, to find the middle values means the median, I'll use riches.median and this will be our median. So if I want to see the statistical part of it, so I'll use riches.describe as I have used here. So it will show whole data in the form of statistic like count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, first quartile, second, third, and maximum value. Q1, Q2, and Q3. Okay, it will show this for both the cars. Now, moving forward to part 2. Part 2 is we have to download the data firstly, and we have to call the data here for data analysis. Fine. So we'll download the data from the Toronto side, or I was working in one project. So I was already having data in my laptop. So I have called that one only df is equal to pd.read csv, and this is the address of the data where it is stored in our laptop. Like it is stored in my c user hp documents and the name is test. So test.csv I used it because that was the excel sheet. So csv, so I'll use df. I have named the data frame as df, so df.info. It will show the number of rows and columns in the dataset. Okay, fine. So this will be output. Fine. So I'll call as df, it will show the whole data will be in this manner. So df dot head 5 means only we want top 5 rows. When we'll use df dot tail means last 5 rows. and then we have to fill the NaN values, means the values which are zero, like this LA have Na and Na and Na values, so we have to fill them with the command df, which is a data dot fill Na with 00. Fine. So the Na values will be filled. Fine. So first LA was Na and now LA is 0.00. Okay. So now we have to drop the row. We have to drop the df dot drop Na, how is Na x is equal to 1, means the row which was having an value will be dropped, like it was LA, so now we'll not able to see it here because it already dropped from our command. Okay, fine. So we have to visualize the data. Visualization dataset is an imported library. Matplotlib will apply this command, so it will show us this. I'm not able to see the x-axis because it's very hectic. Okay, the data is shuffled here and there. So I'll put a command for which we can get the required. Okay, so this is my command which I have used. I have shown that x ticks will be rotation of 90-degree, means x-axis will rotate of 90-degree, and font size will be 15, and x labels means x-axis, it will there will be neighborhood and its font size should be 12, and on y label the count, there should be count, and font size of count should be 11. Okay, and plt title means that this one, what should be title, load area by neighborhood 2006, font size will be 16, its color is orange as we can see here, and font weight is bold, it should look bold. Okay, so this one data, the x-axis, these variables are rotated with 90-degree and it can be clearly seen now. Fine. So next we have to import the libraries of this np pyplot, and numpy we have to use. We have to call data, train one CSV as we have done it before. For data analysis, we have to see the data, applying different columns, PD set. We have to apply different operations here for cleansing the data, like for making of different size sums accordingly. Fine. So this is mean. I have taken mean of all the data, all the variables and columns here. So when I'll apply the matplotlib plot chart, it will be of this type. Okay, fine. Then second one is this. Then I'll again call the data. I'll apply coupling and plotply, and it will show, it will be this one, first graph, and other one will be my this one. Thank you so much.